Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video I'm going to talk about around advice in Spring AOP. What is around advice in Spring AOP? First of all, an aspect is a common feature that's typically scattered across methods such that logging security. The main goal of Spring AOP aspect-oriented programming is to separate the cross-cutting concerns code from the business layer. I will show you an example. This is my service layer code, and here I have my service method, and in the traditional way I will add my logging code here itself, business logic code along with the business logic code. But the aim of Spring AOP is to separate the logging code from my business layer. So for that I have introduced they have introduced an aspect concept. So aspect is nothing but a Java class which is going to contain collection of advices. Here I have one advice called around. What is around advice? Around advice runs around a matched method execution. It allows performing the required activities before as well as after the method executes. Here if you see, Spring is going to create a proxy object. It's going to create a wrapper method. If you see the wrapper method, they will call this advice, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to log or something, you can do it. Then we will call the target method, that means the business logic method. Then what will happen, when I call this proceed, my target method will be called. If I don't call proceed, my target method will not be called. Then after advice and then, so actually speaking, here I am doing the around. This will become the around advice. So I'm calling before the target method and after the target method. Okay, so I'm going to run this demo now. Before that, you have to enable this annotation to have aspect features in your program. So I'm going to run this program and I'm going to show you how exactly it's going to work. Okay, so if you see here, it's going to call my advice method, then it's going to call my target method, that is my business logic layer, then it's going to call again my advice method. So this is called as around advice. See, around my target method, my advices are getting called. Hope this video is useful and informative. Thank you and all the best.